Store your things in style with a cool handmade bowl. See how we use Sculpey to create this rainbow bowl here on BoredBox. Cut your clay blocks in half and organize them into a rainbow pattern, which is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then purple. Continuously break off small pieces of clay and arrange them in the rainbow pattern until you have no more clay. Pinch the small pieces of clay together until you have one long rope. Roll the rope into a coil to create a base for your bowl. When you are satisfied with the size of your base, begin coiling upward by stacking the rope on top of each other while coiling around. Make sure you are pinching the clay together as you coil, otherwise your bowl could fall apart. Continue this until your rope has reached the end. After you have finished coiling, use your fingers to smooth the coils together. When you are finished, place your bowl onto a baking sheet and bake at 275 for 20 to 40 minutes. And your bowl is complete! For more lessons in art, crafts, DIYs, tips, and tutorials, visit getboredbox.com and subscribe to our channel by clicking at the top. Thanks for watching!